bulk foods area, and this is now officially a tornado emergency. We now have a tornado emergency here in Kentucky on this storm.
This is an emergency alert. A tornado emergency warning has been issued.
We have a tornado emergency on this storm in Kentucky for Crider and Crowtown. If you are in this warning, you need to get underground. You got to seek shelter, get away from windows, get on the lowest floor possible. If you're in a mobile home, you got to find sturdy structure or get into a ditch. This is a violent tornado that is on the ground right now near Crider, going towards Crowtown. This is a very dangerous situation. You need to seek shelter immediately. If you are in this pink polygon, if you know any friends or family here, please give them a heads up. Let them know this is a tornado emergency that is currently ongoing for the Crider area north of Dulaney, northeast of Eddyville in Kentucky. This is definitely still on the ground. Look at that debris signature there. That is all debris that is being lifted up into the atmosphere on the east side of Batesfield Estates right now. And this is now officially a tornado emergency. We now have officially a tornado emergency here in Texas on this large and strong tornado that's on the ground. You need to seek shelter.
This is an emergency alert.
Extremely
a
dangerous
tornado
situation.
Emergency warning has been issued.
All right, test. All right. Again, tornado emergency issued now here in Texas. This is a catastrophic tornado that is currently in progress near China Grove on the east side of Odessa. You need to get underground if you can. This is a large and extremely dangerous tornado that is in progress. A very rare situation. Tornado emergencies, again, only happen when we have very strong and potentially violent tornadoes that are on the ground. And unfortunately, this one right now, east of Odessa, is a very large and strong tornado that's become rain-wrapped. And again, this is huge. I mean, this tornado, I saw a photo of it. It was pretty big. And this has now been officially upgraded to a catastrophic tornado emergency for those just to the east of Odessa near the Batesfield Estates. If you're still somehow watching from Batesfield Estates, you need to get underground. If you're in China Grove, you need to seek shelter. So that's southwest of Little Rock now. We are in quite the big radar hole.
This is an emergency alert.
We have a tornado
emergency warning has been issued.
That has just been issued. We now have a tornado emergency that has been issued. This is going to be the storm for Van Buren in Missouri. We now officially have a tornado emergency. This is the highest level tornado warning that you can possibly get, and that is for Van Buren in Missouri. This is Carter County. A large and catastrophic tornado is currently in progress. This is a catastrophic tornado that is in progress. This is, again, the highest level tornado warning that you can get. It is only used for major tornadoes that are in progress.
This is an emergency alert. A large and strong tornado is on the ground. Seek shelter immediately.
And so we officially have a tornado emergency that has been issued.
This is an emergency alert. A large and strong tornado.
We have endless large tornadoes as well. I did not mean to click that.
Immediately.
I don't know if this could get much worse, but the debris signature scan over scan is getting larger. This radar for some reason is slow, but this is the latest scan north of Tylertown. Oh my goodness.
This is an emergency alert. A tornado emergency warning has been issued.
We now have a tornado emergency for those in Walthall, Mississippi. This is a very dangerous tornado. It is a catastrophic tornado in Walthall County in Mississippi. This is a very rare situation. This only happens when we have catastrophic tornadoes happening. This is likely a intense and violent tornado that is ripping through the north side of Tylertown, approaching Salem, China Grove, Daburn, and as well as Sartonville. Well, since you're Mr. Fred Anderson, Here's your own next or one exertion is here, but the so shall make it for off.
Lady
I've got can you mind the allows to the roll so neck out.
Snishner Shirley Snishner Minister Lady Mirror Flushis, Marganazi Ori and Norton Arch Snishner Allah, Shirley Snishner Minister.
Så är det Rorstorsim, Sui, Himos, är det. Det är inget vi än vad det Rorstor vill säga. Han äger sig Sergarten, så det är Rorstor för Srach, är det. Sergarten är Ilroxi. Och det är Rorstor för Srach, natural, you know, I heard Rox, så det är som den är never så där. Det är Ilbasah, när vi än vad det Rorstor vill säga. Alltså så det är snurrum. Och det är en Rorstor för hel chefan. You're some neat and never never from so the even existed. Du känner upp sådär dissens rum och det är nog skriva här nu. Du känner upp sådär.
Du känner upp sådär.
Dissens rum och det är nog skriva här hos en du kan må. Och det är riktigt nog igen ju. Man Carl let's help us that First last he said he was organization now we're not getting states to life state more ska vad så let's treat states to life state but in the size of see the such so other is in the room or in rock get power slash you should their pile shift and advance us in there get be up to it go fast out we were there in the match weeks is in there net fire near much said that what there was north in the all weary visit size no see when there no said you'll stroke not on there and I reckon more so there was no out feel nest thing or serious value when it by on like this room she was just weary if be Sergarfnis in about what in certainly as the only skin is all yes this nice we fit and I heard not Agustin aside but I'll see in the working out street Sergarf mail works in it what in the house yes this is guys very fine to shit is this remote nigga that's
Du känner upp sådär, you know, vi snishner om det är Minister.
First last he's sitting no I lost that there was no snishrolls and thus discussing he's snishner mode and rochel shift of I do he's snishner mode and rochel shift finds this in there when else gets the life step but I'll see in the briefs I than about the film if that the year with lost it there's thing is here but I think no I can let's see if I see he has nickname oh if he never see throwing he lose the throne. You're right out. Gonna feel like my works that he's in your mode and he has a sit one metal. Buzz down exil. Hurry heal me first now fine. When he finna go up nips in the early fit. The lady mother slash he's sustain. We in the share which the surgeon is here if this nice works. There's no hurry out. Green 9 hour now can lost it. I don't know if this is it. There's no snake or shit or snout. But I'm all about my hopes off. Both so I'll lead up. It's no more fear. What a slash she said. I not I get in you know. Sen all we fit. And I asked where from here out. Grafikas nickname Ross and nice and mode and Ross the
Du känner upp sådär, you know, vi snishner om det är Norton. Shirley Snishner Minister.
Ross in the because nickname he's in mode and Ross the He's in mode and Ross the shift finds us in the air as new